Hey everybody, this is Brian Baker with Habanero Attic. This is my son Casey, and today we're going to try a couple of Vietnamese red chili pepper garlic sauces also. Yeah, the two of them. So, and here's Riley over here. He's getting his pants on, very nice. And his shirt is backwards and inside out. Fantastic.
No,
okay,
it's just
let's
inside
open it up,
out.
Casey.
Dad, it's just inside out.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, which one should we
No, yeah,
Let's
it's
try the regular
backwards.
one without the garlic.
This one is the garlic.
Oh, I thought that was the garlic. Either way, open it up.
If these are either tasteful or if they're wasteful.
Fresh chili paste.
Fresh chili paste, alright.
Are these cashful or are these trashful?
Do they have a little thing that we could pull up on them?
I have no clue.
Are
Okay,
these
open it up.
trashful or are these cashful?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Me either.
You know, it's either it's good to buy or it's not that good
Here,
to buy.
give it a whiff.
Dad, it's like it's good to
That
buy.
would be the garlic one. I guess we're doing garlic first.
Dad, it's either is it good to buy or is it not good to buy? Wasteful
How's
or
it
is
smell?
it tasteful?
It reminds me of a Chinese restaurant.
Alright, why don't you guys go ahead and start tasting it while I open this one up.
Okay.
The tough guy.
And hot. It has a garlic flavor.
It's supposed to. Tough to open apparently.
And my son just farted on camera.
It's wasteful. It's tasteful.
This is great.
It's tasteful.
Alright, so that's the garlic one?
It
Yep.
tastes like garlic and garlic. And I love garlic, so it's
Yeah.
very good in my opinion.
Yeah, heavy on the garlic. Definitely red chili. Got a flavor to it. It's got a good thick consistency to it. Got a lot of peppers in there. And a little bit on the salty side too. It tastes pretty good. And it looks like Riley's going for the
Fire
emergency
extinguisher.
Just
fire
in
extinguisher.
case they're on top.
I'm going to try the non-garlic, right? A little bit sweet, a little bit peppery. Overall pretty good. I think it'd be pretty good in rice. What do you think? Not a whole lot of heat. It's there, it's in the back, but it's mostly sweet, and I'm not sniffling because of the heat, because I have a cold. But overall, it's pretty good.
It
Have you
tastes
tried
like
this one?
it tastes like a bell pepper.
Yeah.
Right.
I like the garlic one more.
Bell pepper's not hard.
They both have the same consistency. I think they're both by the same factory or pretty similar. And the gold label is the non-garlic. The other one is the garlic. We bought them both at this place called World Market. And yeah, I think we'll be using them on some rice dishes probably, right?
They're both by Delicious, whatever that is.
Delicious Vietnamese food, whatever that is. Awesome. So let's get a close-up of the can real quick, so you can see that. Sambal
It tastes good.
Oelek, I guess. That's a ground fresh chili paste. Although I'm not entirely sure what kind of chili it is, unless it's a sambal chili of some sort. Yep. All right. So it's good for stir fry, that sort of stuff. Yeah. So the ingredients: chilies.
Gotcha.
This would go good in the stir fry.
And then this one, you see that one here? Chili garlic sauce. Got a Vietnamese title. And, natural color. Alright. And again, the ingredients on here, it says chilies, salt, garlic. So, again, not sure what kind of chilies it is, but still pretty tasteful with a little bit of a sweetness and a little bit of a tang, a little bit of kick on the end. And with that,
Catch it.
alright. Thank you very much. If you like what you see here, click the like and subscribe below. And yeah, peace out, boys.